Hi, we're here now to teach you or discuss about trigonometric identities using reciprocal identities. First, these are the kinds of reciprocal identities. Sin theta equals 1 over cosecant theta. Cosine theta equals 1 over secant theta. Tangent theta equals 1 over cotangent theta. Cotangent theta equals 1 over tangent theta. Secant theta equals 1 over cosine theta. And cosecant theta equals 1 over sine theta.
For example, our number is A. Then, its reciprocal is 1 over A. This is a real example. Sin theta is equals to opposite over hypotenuse.
We get the opposite over hypotenuse because the formula of sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse.
If you will reciprocal sin theta, it will become 1 over sin theta. If you reciprocal on this side, you will also reciprocal on right side. So opposite over hypotenuse will become hypotenuse over opposite multiplied by 1. So copy this, 1 over sin theta is equal, you multiply 1 times hypotenuse over opposite, it will become, the answer is hypotenuse over opposite. Then hypotenuse over opposite, this is formula of cosecant theta. So, you will copy 1 over sin theta, then transform it to cosecant theta. So as you want it to our reciprocal identities, it is equal. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sin theta. That's all.
Don't the water grow the tree?